Hi y'all. Decided we were gonna put in a little bird bath back here, but I wanted something that would make a little noise. So I went up to the landscape supply place and was looking at the fountains, but they're really expensive. And I'm not gonna spend that much money on a fountain right now. So thought I would try to make one. So went up to Lowe's, walked around there for a couple hours. I got a bird bath. I got a black tub, and I got this pump from Harbor Freight, and I'm going to try to drill a hole through this bird bath. I think this is the size, maybe. We'll try and see if we can test it, and if it looks like it's going to work, we're going to bury this big tub and put the bird bath on top of it and put some rocks in it, and maybe it'll work. We'll see. I think it's gonna work. Perfect. Now we just gotta move some stuff around and put it in the ground and put some rocks around it. We're gonna put it right here where this thing is. All done. Luna, do you approve? Like it? Looks good. Wait till we get some birds on it.